Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's start with opening the settings, and here at the top we've got this option connected with the connection or network. So first of all, let's go to mobile network, I believe, and go to more settings. Here let's go to Private DNS. Let's mark specified DNS, and here you have to enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save, and it will be immediately applied, thanks to which your device will limit the advertisements. Moreover, let's go back to the general list of the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to go to Google. Then let's go to all services, and here scroll to find ads. Let's tap. So here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and the whole idea of that option is to personalize your advertisements. So for example, let's pretend that you are looking for a specific item, for example, for a table or a lamp or whatever. After that, your device will show you a tons of advertisements containing this specific item, different offers, different shops that are offering this item, different prices, etc. So this is what the advertising ID does. It just gathers the information what you're looking for, and then after that it is showing you specific offers. So what we can do here, we can reset advertising ID and delete advertising ID, and those operations will not limit the amount, the number of advertisements. However, they will make them less personalized, which is also a great option. Simply start with tapping on reset advertising ID, tap on confirm, and then delete advertising ID, and your device will remove it. Another thing what you can do, if you've got the app which is showing you advertisements in this notification panel right here, you can turn off the notifications of this app. So let's pretend it is in Play Store. In my case, just tap on it and hold it, and then tap on more features and go to app info. So here we've got the option manage notifications, and you can see that after scrolling down here, there are some categories of the notifications. And what I recommend to do is to find the category which is somehow connected with the advertisement. So for example, payments, deals, and recommendations in my case, and tap on it, and simply tap on this switcher next to allow notifications. Of course, the best option is to turn off the notifications completely, which is at the very top, but I know that sometimes we are receiving not only advertisements from this specific app, but also different important notifications. So removing all of them is not a choice, it's not an option. But as I said, you can try to find a specific category and turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.